Ladies and gentlemen, dames en heren, today I have a new release, semi-detached cottage with secure parking. It's in a quiet neighborhood. There is Devil's Peak opposite. It is just after 2 o'clock on a Saturday, and this is what it looks like in this part of the observatory. This house offers parking for one car. There's a step in front. There's good security. There's your view of Table Mountain and Devil's Peak. And let's go and see what it looks like on the inside. Beautiful wood floors here. There's a passage with 2 bedrooms on the right, and then it runs down past your bathroom to the living area and kitchen and your back garden. Here, the gentleman living here has got 2 children, and this is how the setup works here, with 2 beds. There used to be a fireplace over there. There is a built-in cupboard, and it's got white wood floors here, and this is your outlook from the room in front over the parking area. As we walk down the passage, the floors are all in a good condition, solid and sound. This is what is used as the main bedroom at the moment. It has double doors to the back, the outside, the back garden. There are no built-in cupboards here. Then down the passage we have the bathroom. It's a modern luxury bathroom with a big shower, water closet, and hand basin with fancy taps, sanitaryware. And then down the passage into this is the office of the man living here, and it's open plan with the lounge. There's a combustion fireplace, the stove thing you see here. Here we have white cement floors right through to the end of the house. This is a modern kitchen. Looks like marble tops, working surfaces. There's a beautiful stove which seems to be fitting in perfectly here, and is most likely part of the kitchen. Just to look back, there's a chandelier, and you can see the little lights on the ceiling. Give you a sense of what it looks like. This is a nice handy surface over here with all the plumbing hiding underneath there, and here are some sliding windows above your dining table for more fresh air. But let's just continue from the stove. You also have a hand basin here. There's dishwashing machine facilities, more built-in cupboards, big folding glass doors that overlook a deck here. There's some storage cupboards, and you can see what it looks like. Looking back on the side of the house, there is a passageway with an outside shower at the end, and that's to that second bedroom. And from here we have 3-4 steps down into the garden. You can see there's some more storage space here underneath this deck. There's an outside tap here, and the garden is wild and wonderful. There's a ladder up for these young boys to come up with their baboon tricks, and there's a big shed here, and then 3 tanks of could be 3 times 1,000 liters of water here with a pump, and this water obviously must be coming from the roof of the house. Don't know exactly how it works here, but there you have it. A very nice private spacious 2 bedrooms house with beautiful morning sun from the dining area that we are looking at right now. And if you want to see more, all the detail is on my website. That's hotpropertyinCapetown.com, where you can see a floor plan and loads of pictures, and I would love to show you around. Thank you for watching. I look forward to hearing from you. Goodbye.